Okay, one more time, show me a normal takeoff, normal landing.
Normal takeoff, okay. First, take clear, and hover turn to the left.
Yeah. It's okay, 90 degrees, right down.
Okay.
Then very easily to see.
Yeah.
Runway 305.
Tail clear. Runway 30 is no traffic. Yeah.
Okay.
Long Beach Tower, helicopter 80 Hotel at pass 3, recast less pro traffic.
Number 8 Hotel, pass 3, clear for takeoff.
Pass 3, clear for takeoff, helicopter 80 Hotel. Air clear,
Okay.
and turn to light.
Then make a straight line first and hover up. Then hover taxi to then, after that, gradually speed up. Pedal,
Pedals,
nose straight. Pedal,
pedals,
speed up, yep.
Right.
Continue,
continue.
until 40 knots, continue. Now 40 knots, it is 1, 2, 3. Power, the trim straight.
Trim straight.
All like this.
GPS 905, ready to go.
Fly over the green panel left side. Yes. Yeah, have to check the 16 knot
Again?
Yeah.
Number 83 Hotel, hold west of runway 30. Helicopter 83 Hotel.
Say again.
Number 83 Hotel, I need you to lift up to the frequency, hold west of runway 30.
Hold west of the runway 30, helicopter 80 Hotel.
Sheriff 5, Long Beach, proceed direct, landing Hotel November, clear to land traffic, runway 30.
Attitude, what kind of attitude you are?
60 knots.
Yep, every time. Every time thinking.
UPS 905 heavy, wind 1506, runway 30, clear for takeoff. Takeoff on 30, UPS 905 heavy.
Lights, lift.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 46393, holding short 26 right for right close traffic.
Tower 46393, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
What kind of attitude and check the airspeed, the power, during time, everything, checking. Just like auto rotation.
Yeah,
Then
just like
scanning.
that.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 8 Hotel, downwind approved, pad 3, clear to land.
Downwind approved, and pass 3, clear to land, helicopter 80 Hotel.
UPS 905 heavy, contact Dakota departure, good day.
Switch departure, UPS 905 heavy, good day.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. You cannot say thinking the attitude. Yeah, scanning, breathe.
Scanning.
Don't, if you stop the scanning, you cannot control the helicopter.
Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
The speed up from
26 right, clear for takeoff 3903.
UPS 905 heavy, response 2072.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 20905, holding short of runway 26 right, requesting right close traffic.
November 957, stand by.
515. Go lights, lift, forward.
So last time you are overshooting. That's why you have to care about center of the final.
Okay.
One more time check.
Yeah, forward.
Then cranking. One more time check.
Or light.
Then it's okay. During time it's a check.
Yeah, check.
Good. So then the 2 or 3 times checking.
Okay.
Then thinking high, low. It's okay. High right now. High.
High.
Low, 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 low. More descending.
More descending.
Because the normal approach, your steep approach looks like more descending. Breathe, 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 breathe.
More descending.
Yeah, that's why the last time overshooting.
Okay.
Now normal approach angle.
Normal approach. Okay.
November 9057, make right close traffic, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, 957.
Pedal,
Pedal.
green panel, nose straight.
Nose straight.
If you settle, lead with lazy corrective.
Lace collective.
Left pedal,
Left pedal.
forward, little bit,
Forward.
and adjustment, do not speed up. Left pedal, left pedal, left pedal,
Left
more left pedal.
More left pedal.
Yep. Then not speed up.
Okay.
Right pedal,
Light pedals.
because I'm not looking. Every time looking green panel.
Okay.
Nose straight over there.
Okay.
Because you're looking in the swinging position.
Okay.
Every time, even if you're swinging during approach, you are looking.
Looking.
Then
Looking.
swing, then changing.
Okay.
Every time you are looking, overlooking. That's why you cannot,
Looking for the correct.
during approach. Looking. Okay. Okay, show me one more time.
One more
Okay.
time. Normal takeoff.
Okay, but steep approach.
Steep
Okay.
approach.
Steep approach, normal approach.
Normal approach.
On the fly now, you are so much high.
Final.
So much high.
Descending again. Okay.
That's why you need a more, below to a normal approach angle.
Okay.
Okay, set up please. This way.
Sit down.
Yeah, set up please.
Sit down. Okay.
Yes.
Slow Beach Tower, UADC 351 Foxtrot, ILS for
Maybe you are look down over there. That's why you cannot understand the helicopter. Your eyesight here. Here, breathe.
Here, yeah.
Every time you are looking.
Okay.
That's why you cannot control.
Okay.
It's a vehicle. Every time this is looking.
Okay.
20 or 50 meter over there. Front
Okay.
side. You are looking at 10 meter.
Okay.
So close. That's why you cannot exactly.
okay. Downwind traffic.
Every time here. Okay. And little bit changing.
Later we're changing to the lights. Like
Okay.
that. Okay.
Okay, show me, Okay, max takeoff.
Maximum performance takeoff?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, first RPM down. RPM down for 75. Okay, and friction on. Okay. And cyclic friction on. And I think the altimeter for 29092. 29092 from here. And it's 100. 100. And back to 29085. For here. 400 and the temperature is 17. And sea level and 17 is 22.5, 23.4. 23.4 is our maximum performance. 5 minutes takeoff. Okay.
EPS 909, heavy long jet right, stand by, waiting please.
friction off. Cyclic first.
Number 130, let's extend down 1.
Send down 139.
Over 3, turn left, Foxtrot 3, push keel 3, counterground.
And carpet down.
Okay.
Okay, carpet down and 123 green, F center, carpet time is out of yellow, no warning light, no caution light, tab is out of green. Okay, friction off.
Okay. So every time you pick up, sit down, hover, your eyesight here.
Okay.
No. Over there.
Over there.
Or more looking farther.
Looking for.
So if you're looking, cannot control the exactly not control.
Okay.
So that's why here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Then feel to just feeling the
Just
surface.
feeling. Okay.
Yeah. Also before landing. Okay. Before landing and approaching from the not the
runway
there.
25.
Just like auto rotation.
Just like
Auto rotation looking right.
Okay.
Just like that.
Just like
Runway
that.
26 right clear.
RPM's up.
And 95 sir.
Number 130, with traffic, mile final, runway 30 is a female. Enter.
Traffic side 131.
Okay, and clutch lights 1. Okay, clutch lights out. Oh, somebody's approaching now.
I think so.
Yeah. They're waiting for